There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, it's bringing me out the dark. Finally, I see you crystal clear. Go ahead and lay me out, I'll see your shit laid bare. See how I leave with every piece of you. Don't underestimate the things that I can do. There's a fire starting in my heart, reaching a fever pitch, it's bringing me out the dark. Scars of your love remind me of us, keep me thinking that we almost had it all. Scars of your love leave me breathless, and I can't help thinking we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside your hand, and you played it to the beat. Baby, I have no story to be told, but I've heard one on you, and I'm gonna see your head burn. Think of me in the depths of your despair, making a home down there's mine sure won't be shared. Scars of your love remind me of us, keep me thinking that we almost had it all. Scars of your love leave me breathless, and I can't help thinking we could have had it all. Rolling in the deep, you had my heart inside of your hands, and you played to the beat. Throw your soul through every open door, count your blessings and find what you look for. Turn my sorrow into treasured gold, pay me back in kind and reap just what you sow. Scars you love remind me of us, keep me thinking that we almost had it all. Scars you love leave me breathless, and I can't help thinking we could have had it